Bridges are more than just structures. They are lifelines. They connect people and places. Bridges allow us to overcome physical obstacles. They facilitate trade and travel. Imagine a world without bridges. It would be a world of isolation and limitation. From ancient Roman aqueducts to modern marvels like the Golden Gate Bridge, these structures stand as testaments to human ingenuity. Bridges are essential to our modern way of life. They represent progress and connectivity. As our world continues to evolve, so too must our bridges. We need them to be stronger, safer, and more efficient. This is where the power of artificial intelligence comes in. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the world around us. In simple terms, AI is like giving a brain to machines. This allows them to learn from data. They can then perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. AI is already powering many aspects of our lives. It recommends your next favorite song. It helps doctors diagnose diseases more accurately. It even enables self-driving cars.
In the realm of construction, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we build bridges. It can analyze vast amounts of data, identify potential risks, and optimize designs for maximum safety and efficiency.
Safety is paramount in bridge construction. Ensuring the safety of both the workers and the future users of the bridge is a top priority. AI can analyze real-time data from sensors on bridges, providing continuous monitoring and instant feedback. These sensors monitor factors like vibrations, strain, and material fatigue, which are critical for maintaining structural integrity. This helps engineers identify potential problems before they escalate, allowing for timely interventions and repairs.
AI can also optimize bridge designs, making them more efficient and cost-effective. It simulates different scenarios, such as earthquakes or heavy traffic loads, to ensure the bridge can handle extreme conditions. This ensures that the bridge can withstand various stresses and strains, enhancing its overall resilience.
Efficiency is another area where AI shines, streamlining processes and reducing human error. By automating tasks like material estimation and route optimization, AI can significantly improve project timelines. AI can significantly speed up the construction process, ensuring projects are completed on schedule. This saves time and money, making construction projects more economical. Moreover, AI can enhance the durability of bridges, ensuring they last longer and perform better. It does this by recommending the best materials and construction techniques tailored to specific project needs. This ensures that bridges can withstand the test of time and require less maintenance, ultimately leading to safer and more reliable infrastructure. Section 4. Real-world marvels,